What's up, Fitness Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And sorry, I know it's been a little while since my last video, but we are jumping back into it like we didn't go anywhere. So we're actually about to go meet up with the homies. It's going to be for a car meet. Since we all haven't really been getting together too much lately, we're gonna go ahead and jump into that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get over there. All right, so we've been here for a while, a little over an hour, but we got people who pulled up. So let's go over some of the cars here. And we got some people who came from Tampa, came from Virginia. Let's see. Looking good, looking good. Fan favorites. This fan favorite here. I wasn't sure if he's gonna bring the Mustang or not. But yeah, let's start. Well, I guess we already started, but yeah, let's take a look. The homie Angelo. The Wu-Tang. Yeah, this is just a little meet with all the homies. Well, not all the homies, but the homies here. Close, since we just haven't seen each other in a while, so we just kind of got together and hang out. So make sure you follow Angelo on YouTube, and of course the homie Brandon. Follow him, subscribe as well. Can you see it? There we go. I'll put links in the description below to their channels and Instagram, so make sure you follow. Woof. Looking good. What you think about that color scheme? Looking good, looking good. Oh, man. Cars, or the range is amazing. Tampa life. I'm not sure if you guys realize he upgraded from the Altima, but that's a nice little upgrade. I don't want to say little, but that's a nice upgrade. But yeah, like I said, it's just some of the close homies. We all hanging out, just talking and everything. I meant to pick up the camera sooner, but just chopping it up with everybody ain't really even think about it until I just picked it up. So definitely let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be getting active again. I know I haven't really recorded in a while, but I'll definitely be recording more. I'm kind of going over the build, where I'm at and what was about to happen, and there's a few things I really want to do, and it's if I keep the Altima or not. I was still gonna go ahead and do it, but yeah, make sure you follow and subscribe. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and continue to chop it up with the homies. I'll pick the camera up again before I leave, hopefully. Yeah, I should. Alright, well, I guess I did say I was going to pick up the camera again, so hey, here we go. But yeah, that's pretty much going to do it for the video. I know it was pretty short, but we'll be getting back to regularly scheduled programming here pretty soon. But before we end the video, I want to say, actually, let's do the comment of the day. Here we go. So the comment of the day is going out to Alright, and if you want to be selected for comment of the day, just make sure you leave a comment on the main videos, and who knows, you might be selected. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.